How you guys doing? This is Picasso again. Going to go ahead and show you guys now how to make a flyer from scratch using our templates, our blank template on file. And the first thing you're going to notice is all these checkered boxes back here on our flyer with no picture up here. And what we're going to do today is we're going to put a picture behind here so it fits nicely behind the type and everything. And then we're going to put our logo on top of it, and we're going to do a word and a phone number just to make it all set up. I don't really have a number set up yet, but just for fun, I'll just pick out some stuff and we'll get going. Anyway, first things first is we're going to go ahead and put a picture back here behind here, and we've if you've noticed, this is really close to Photoshop. If you ever use Photoshop, you've got layers, you've got your navigator up here. All the tools are pretty much the same, but it does work in PNG files and JPEG files only, so you can't open up PDF files from the photo editor, just so you guys know. Anyways, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and get an image in there. I'm going to open image. I'm going to go to layer, open image as layer. And I've already pre-selected some images and whatnot, so I'm going to go pizza 2 is the one I wanted to do. I already saved it, so I'm going to open that up. And it's pasted on there. It's definitely way too big, so we have to go and make this a lot smaller. We go up to edit, free transform. And see how this is way out here. It's just a huge file. It's really big, so I have to go in here, and we're going to have to make it a lot smaller. But anyways, what I'm doing now is, no, I don't want to apply these yet. Oh, looks like we're going to start over, edit, free transform. And you're going to just use your your mouse key, float over that blue dot up there to resize it, and just drag with your shift key. And you can kind of see what's going on here. It's getting pretty, I can kind of put it in position here. What I want to do is I'm going to just make sure I cover up all this space up here. And if you notice, right now I'm floating above on top of my type. I'll show you how to fix that. But anyways, that's where we kind of want it. I'm going to go ahead and apply the changes by going to the black arrow key. Click that. If it'll let me. It's like, I guess, part of it. Okay, there we go. Yes. And then to move that behind the type here, I'm just going to go to my layers palette. And that's right here. And you'll notice that layer 0 is the main template. And then layer 1 is the one we just added. So all I'm going to do is just click on layer 1, and I'm going to drag it below layer 0. This is just like Photoshop if you ever use Photoshop. And there you go. It just pops right on there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a logo up here on top of our pizza, just to kind of, you know, go for gold here. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go to layer, open images layer again. And again, I've already picked out a logo I want to go with. It's a PNG file, which means it's got a, you can use PNG files and JPEGs here, but that's the one we want here. But really, if you can use a PNG file, you'll notice that there's no black box or white box around here, the logo. So it stays round and it looks nice. So I'm going to go up here and position my logo in place using my black arrow key. And I want to go ahead and make it smaller because it's, you know, a little bit too big for what I want to do here. So I'm going to go over here to File, actually Edit, Free Transform again, and then just float above that blue box there and drag and shift with my shift key and just drag and it'll scale that. Put it in place. That looks about right. And go ahead and apply that with the black arrow key again. Yes, I'm going to go make that change. So that's all set. And now I just want to put my phone number in. There's the A box over here. I'm going to click on that. And we'll do our first one. I'm going to just go 1-800. Or it could be anything. How about, we'll just do 555. Just to. So like the generic 555 number, just for fun. And I'm going to scale that down. Move it into place. A little bit bigger. Perfect. Got it in spot. Go to my black arrow key, click on that. That's going to make that change, and then I'm going to add my last word, which is CC or pizza. I'm going to just go pizza because it's easy. And we want to make it easy for the customer. We don't want to make it a really long, drawn-out word for somebody to text in. Doesn't really make sense. You guys just try to keep that in mind. Try to keep it short and sweet so that the customers can opt in. And you want to make it easy for them. You don't want to do something really too unfamiliar, really hard to type in, or any of that stuff. You want to make this really easy for them to figure out. So, anyways, I got pizza on there. I got the number on there. I'm going to apply my changes. And it looks like we're all set. I'm going to go ahead and save this now. File save. And full quality. I'm going to put it on my computer. And it's going to wait for a second. It's a small flyer, small size here. So, and I'm going to pick it on my desktop. I like that. And save. Want to replace it? Sure. Or actually, you know what? I don't. Because I don't want to save over my template here. So I'm going to go 2. Or we'll just put CC. That sounds good. Whatever's good. Whatever, how you guys want to name it, it's good. And that's going to go ahead and save. It's working. You can see it says working right here. And that's saved. And it looks like we're all set, man. This is how you guys make a flyer. If you guys have any inquiries, make sure you let us know. We're always working to make everything better, and we're gonna have a lot more videos coming. A lot more videos on how to do things, how to make it easier for you guys, so it's not too hard to get out there and sell. The big thing is getting out there and selling, and we're really trying not to put too many obstacles up in front of you guys. So. Just stay tuned. We're going to have a lot more videos coming, and thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.